Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we are going to go over laziest ways to make money online for beginners. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over affiliate marketing and cash apps. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to pique your interest, the laziest ways to make money online for beginners. If you've ever dreamed of earning some extra cash without breaking a sweat, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore a variety of effortless methods that anyone can start right away, even if you have no prior experience. From passive income streams to simple side hustles, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started on your journey to financial freedom. Whether you're looking to make a little extra on the side or hoping to replace your full-time income, we've got you covered with tips and tricks that are both engaging and easy to follow. So, if you're curious about how to make money while lounging on your couch or sipping your favorite drink, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to turn your free time into cash with minimal effort. Let's jump right in. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way for beginners to earn money online with minimal effort. The concept is simple. You promote products or services from other companies, and in return, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. This means you don't have to create your own products or handle customer service, making it an ideal option for those looking to make money passively. Two popular platforms to get started are Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Amazon Associates allows you to promote millions of products available on Amazon, while ClickBank specializes in digital products, offering higher commission rates. Both platforms are user-friendly and provide a wealth of resources to help you succeed. However, the key to thriving in affiliate marketing lies in choosing the right niche. Focus on a specific area that interests you and has a target audience. This not only makes it easier to create content, but also helps you connect with potential buyers. By selecting a niche you're passionate about, you'll find it much easier to promote products and generate income with minimal effort. Online surveys. Participating in online surveys is one of the simplest ways to earn cash from the comfort of your home. Many companies are eager to gather consumer opinions, and they're willing to pay for your insights. Popular survey sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie make it easy for beginners to get started. To join, all you need to do is sign up for an account on these platforms. The registration process is straightforward and typically requires just a few minutes of your time. Once you're signed up, you'll receive surveys tailored to your interests and demographics. The potential earnings from online surveys can vary, but many users report making anywhere from a few dollars to over $100 a month, depending on how often they participate. Each survey usually takes between 5 to 30 minutes to complete, so you can easily fit them into your daily routine. While it may not replace a full-time income, it's a great way to earn some extra cash during your downtime. So, if you're looking for a low-effort side hustle, online surveys might just be the perfect fit for you. Cashback apps. Using cashback apps is an effortless way for beginners to earn money while shopping. Apps like Rakuten and Ibotta have gained popularity for their ability to provide users with cash back on everyday purchases. The concept is simple. When you shop through these apps or upload your receipts, you earn a percentage of your spending back in cash. With Rakuten, you can browse a wide range of retailers and activate cashback offers before making a purchase. Once you complete your transaction, the cashback is credited to your account, which you can later withdraw via PayPal or check. Ibotta works similarly, allowing you to earn money back on groceries and other items by scanning your receipts or selecting offers before shopping. The ease of use is one of the biggest draws of cashback apps. You can earn money effortlessly while buying items you already need. Over time, these small savings can add up significantly, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to stretch their budget. So, if you want to turn your shopping habits into a source of income, cashback apps are definitely worth considering. Selling unused items. Decluttering your home can not only create a more organized space but also help you earn quick cash by selling unused items online. Platforms like eBay and Facebook Marketplace make it incredibly easy for anyone to turn their clutter into cash. When it comes to items that sell well, think about clothing, electronics, furniture, and collectibles. Gently used clothes, old gadgets, and even furniture pieces that no longer fit your style can attract buyers looking for a good deal. Seasonal items like holiday decorations or outdoor gear can also find a new home and put some extra cash in your pocket. The process of listing and selling items is straightforward. Simply take clear photos, write a brief description, and set a reasonable price. With just a few clicks, your items can be visible to a wide audience. Plus, local selling options on Facebook Marketplace allow for quick transactions without the hassle of shipping. So, if you're looking for an easy way to make some extra money, start decluttering today and see how much cash you can generate from items you no longer need. Print on demand. Print on demand services offer a fantastic opportunity for beginners to create and sell custom designs without the hassle of inventory management. Platforms like Teespring and Redbubble make it easy to turn your creative ideas into products, from t-shirts to home decor. The process begins with designing your artwork. You can use graphic design software or even free online tools to create unique designs that reflect your style or interests. Once your designs are ready, you can upload them to your chosen platform and set up your online shop. Both Teespring and Redbubble provide user-friendly interfaces that guide you through the setup process, allowing you to customize your store and showcase your creations. One of the biggest advantages of print on demand is the potential for passive income. Once your designs are live, you can earn money every time someone makes a purchase, all without having to handle production or shipping. This means you can focus on creating new designs while the platform takes care of the rest. If you're looking for a low-effort way to monetize your creativity, print-on-demand services could be the perfect fit for you. In conclusion, in this video, we explored some of the laziest ways to make money online for beginners, highlighting methods that require minimal effort yet offer great potential for earning. We discussed affiliate marketing, where you can promote products for a commission, and how cashback apps allow you to earn money back on everyday purchases. We also covered the simplicity of participating in online surveys and the benefits of selling unused items for quick cash. Lastly, we introduced print-on-demand services, enabling you to create and sell custom designs effortlessly. The beauty of these methods lies in their accessibility. Anyone can get started with little to no experience. Whether you're looking to make a few extra dollars or build a passive income stream, these options are perfect for beginners seeking easy money-making opportunities. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also be interested in earning money online. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content, so thank you for watching and happy earning. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.